How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax in Somers Point on our brand new 2024 Sailfish 226 dual console. Starting in the aft here, you'll see tons of seating on the dual console option. So you have the aft-facing seat here. You got a lounger here that can lay fully out. You can also pop up this backrest here to make it another back-facing lounger, as well as this big bench seat in the back that folds up nice and easily. Once folded up, you have a lot of space back here for fishing. So you stand on either side. You got a large live well in the corner here. Rounded edges as well, so none of the bait gets stuck. You got rod holders across the back, as well as a collapsible ski tow pylon. So when you're done using it, you can just twist it up, drop it down, keep it nice and out of the way. Moving forward on the boat here, looking at the helm, you'll notice the boat is going to be powered by a Yamaha. You're going to have digital throttle and shift on your shifter over here, a 5-inch Garmin screen, your Yamaha vessel view, as well as the Fusion speaker, so hook up your phone and get some nice music playing throughout the boat. There is a head on this 22-foot boat, so if you do have anyone on board who needs to use the head, unlikely to see this on a 22-foot boat, so nice option to have. Underneath me here is a huge storage compartment, which is lockable, so if you want to put rods on board and leave them on overnight, you don't have to worry. And this is open, assisted by gas-assisted struts, so you don't have to worry about it falling shut on you. Moving forward, you're going to have some additional storage underneath the console here. You can see we have all the covers under there. And then in the front, you get that classic bow rider type front on the dual console. So tons of seating for the family, lots of space to sit out. You can see I can stretch my feet all the way out, as well as backrest if you want to be facing forward. So again, this is our 2024 Sailfish 226 dual console. If you'd like to check this boat out or any other of our in-stock inventory, come down and see us here at MarineMax in Somers Point. Thanks, and see you out on the water.